Hi there, welcome to the Virtual 360 tutorial. I'm going to show you how to use our online tool to create virtuals to send to your customers. So right now I'm on the home page and I'm going to scroll and select one of our products. So I'm going to choose the Next. Now I am on the product page and you'll see here up in the left hand side there's a 360 Virtual Online Tool tab. So I'm going to select that tab and you'll see that the 360 tool will load now in the product page. Over here on the right hand side is the adjustments panel, and this is where I'll make my selections to make the changes. So from the start I'm going to first select a different color. So I'm going to pick the dark plum. And then, so you can see the dark plum is now here, and I can see it. And now I'm going to select my first location. So I'm going to pick a very traditional location, which is left chest, and I'm going to upload a logo. So for this exercise, I've created a few logos, but there's two different options. I have a JPEG and a PNG. I'm going to start with the JPEG because there's a few more things that we need to do to that one to clean it up. So now you can see that the JPEG is loaded and there's a white background. That is just the default with any JPEG. There'll always be a white background. So we have an adjustment tool here that will allow us to remove the white background. So if you see, I have a little dropper and I'm going to go and pick all the white and remove it. So I'm just clicking on the white and it's going to remove the color. Oops. And I'm going to press undo because I didn't do that very well, and that's a little bit hard to get. So I'm just going to leave the registered R like that. And I'm going to click OK. So now you can see the logo is in place, and I can reduce the size or make it larger. I can also apply different effects that will show the look of some of our techniques. So for example, with the deboss, you can see that it knocks it out on the product, or embroidery, laser, transfer. So I'm going to keep the deboss for this one. Now I'm going to rotate the shirt around and I'm going to select over here on the right shoulder. So as you see when you mouse over, there's a little hand with a plus sign, and that means you can actually select that location and it's already selected in the right hand menu. So now I'm going to upload a different logo. And I'm going to use this one here. So my logo has appeared, and for this one I'm going to try laser. And again, these will appear based off of what is approved on this product. So now we have a laser logo on the right shoulder. And I'm going to rotate it around, and then there's a back panel, there's an upper back panel. So I actually want the upper back panel, which is called back top. And I'm going to upload another logo. So for this one, I'm going to pick the same logo that I put on the sleeve. And I'm going to make it just a little bit smaller. And I'm going to use screen print for this one. So now I've created my piece. And let's just say that I want to go back and change. I'm going to select the logo. And now I want it to be embroidery. So I'm going to click on embroidery. Now from here you can do a few things. You can save a snapshot. So what I'm going to do is just save a snapshot here, so that way I can create an email and include that in my email. Or I can also go to the share and save. So there's a few things here. You have a link that will actually show you the product, as well as an email field. And with this red box selected, it'll attach the image as an attachment. So here you can also send this just via URL, and I'll just show you what happens when you put this in. The Virtual 360 tool will load, and the features that you have placed will be available to view. So you can send these to your customer as well, so they have their own 360 virtual tool to look at. Or you can actually, if I open, I can show you what the file that we created looks like. So there's the 360 file that we created, so it shows the logo as well as the placement. One other feature that you can do is also if you want to take different screen grabs of different angles of the product. So let's say I want to show this angle here to show that the two logos are in place. I just rotate it to that angle and then again press Save Snapshot. So it'll save in my folder. And now I can just open my folder, pull the style up, and there it is here. And that's it. Thank you for joining, and if you have any questions, please email us at marketing@trimarksportswear.com.